Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to delete email with the large attachment from your Gmail account. So I'm going to show you my desktop. If you're using iPhone or Android phone, you can follow the same step. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here I am on my Gmail account. Okay, so sometime what happen, your inbox is full and you're not able to receive email, or you're not able to send the email, and you will show the error here that your inbox going to full 90% or 99%. So you need to buy, you know the space from Gmail. So there is a one way you can remove or you can clear your space in Gmail, that you have to find large email attachment email, or you can find old email, you can delete it. So if you're facing this problem, you can find the large attachment email. Simply go to the search mail here and click on it. So it will show here, and here you can find from email subject info. This is forward. Okay, so we are going to find the large email attachment. So here click on has attachment, and size you have to select greater than or lesser than. So here you have to can select MB. Okay, so if you want to find greater than 1 MB, so just find 1 GB or 500 MB, just click on 500, or maybe you can see 1000 MB or 50 MB. You can find the above 50 MB email here. So just search. So in my email I don't have above 50 MB email, so I just, for example, I just type here in KB byte and just click 10. You will see I have many emails. So I have searched with 10 KB byte. It's very small email, so I have only attachment with Gmail, as I have only image attachment. Now you can select all from here. If you have more than 50 emails, so you will see here the one option that select all email, and you can delete from here. So I will show you example to by going inbox. Okay, so here you can see select all conversion, and here you can delete all mails. But when you delete from here, when you search and delete, then you have to go in trash also, because it will be not delete here from Gmail. Okay, it will be going trash when you delete from inbox. So you have to delete from here also. Select all, then select everything and delete. Because when you if you don't, if not delete from here, your space will not clear or remove. So delete from here also. If you don't delete from here, so it will be delete automatically after 30 days. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.